的一年，愿广济集团及广济国际的每一位伙伴都能事事如意，步步高升。
May every individual at GAC Group and GAC International find joy and success in the new year.
မင်္ဂလာပါ We hope the new year is full of sunlight, hope and joy for everyone in the GAC family.
Que el nuevo año traiga alegría abundante y un futuro brillante para todos en GAC Group y GAC International.
En el nuevo año les deseamos a la familia GAC prosperidad, buena salud y felices fiestas para ustedes y sus seres queridos.
Wishing GAC continuous success in the new year. Together we will create a brighter future.
We hope our partners at GAC Group and GAC International can write a brilliant new chapter in the year of the dragon.
We wish everybody at GAC Group and GAC International a very peaceful and happy new year.
Dear GAC family, we wish you all the best for 2024.
Wishing everyone in the GAC family great success and good health in the year of the dragon.
To wish our dear friends and colleagues at both GAC Group and GAC International a great success and prosperity in the year ahead, the year of dragon.
We wish everyone at GAC Group and GAC International great fortune and success in careers.
We wish the GAC family a prosperous, thriving and joyful new year.
شكرا لدوركم وجهودكم المستمرة وتفانيكم في خدمة هذه الشركة العظيمة. شكرا جزيلا.
In the new year, may everyone in the GAC family find your dreams come true.
We wish the GAC family joy and happiness.
We wishing you the best of everything in the new year.
Y felicidad de su familia.
In 2024, may everyone in the GAC family find your dreams come true.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Xīn Nián Kuài Lè.
GAC Motor.